summertime round '09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
What is going on, YouTube? It's Emoneyshoes here. Welcome to Money Squad. Hashtag brick by brick. In the effort to make my videos go a lot faster, my other has to hurry up and get to the point. So shout out to everyone who joined the Money Squad. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We on that road to 1,700 or 1.7K. Need about 20 more people to join the squad, and then we on that way to 2K. Real quick, shout out to I Am a Dude for intro. Go follow him on YouTube. Comment, like, subscribe. He's also on IG. Also follow Just Trap Brand. Use EMONEY. You get 20% off that offer. And also go holler at Money Run Clothing. Grab some of that dope merch. Use the code DWYL to get 20% off your order. Now, without that being said, finally got these shoes. This is an unboxing. I see what you guys been talking about now, as far as the Jordan brand with that freaking new system. Because man, by the time they be like, it came out the house, they be like, ooh, ooh. They be like, who the hell is that? You go in there and say, are you such and so? Yes, I am. Then next thing you know, they throw you the box and they out of there like that. Oh crap! It's like, dang, these jokers. So here we go. We got this box. Just do it. Woohoo! Kind of excited. Changing up my little dupe. Got my wild hair going on. I'm like, better late than never. I know everybody did their little thing, but this is my review, so don't try to steal my shine. The little receipt. What's that? Got a little discount. I think 100 and what, 185 regular, and I think I got it for 175. Who cares? All right. Got the box. Check it out. Check it out. Pretty dope. 10.5. Suggested retail price $185. You see, you got that QR code on there. Official colorway, white, black, navy. So you already know what time it is. Got the stamp. Got the paper. And you always know I always like to do the left side. So for the one time, for the homie, Eric. Dang, I just got my nut. What the hell? I'm tweaking. I must have had too much energy drink. You always know how you got that new shoe. Got to get that new shoe smell. Nothing smells better than the foams, though. You guys haven't had a pair of new foams, you got to do it. Can't beat the foams. Now, bottom of the shoe. Got to get that carbon fiber going. Got to get that tap. Got that Jumpman, the icy blue bottom, and the pods. You already know the key to keeping these jokers clean is clean them after every wear. Clean them after every wear. That's the key to keeping these clean. Coming up on the toe, Snakeskin, Reptilion. Definitely don't get in the light bone. I don't know about the pink. I might can pull it off for breast cancer awareness, but we'll see. Got this, not bad, this leather. What is it? Synthetics, kind of got a plush feel to it, better than the closing ceremony joint, that's for sure. And the Easter joints. See that third row spacing, the laces. Would have been dope if they'd have put something right here on the tongue, but beggars can't be choosy. Turn around on the side. You got that. And you got your little itty bitty cute Jumpman, cute. Then you got your 23, which is cheesy. Would have been better if they stitched this in. Coming around on the medial side. Nothing, same thing. Then you got your shoe tree inside. And production dates 11/14/18 to 2/19. So inside 10.5 Jumpman. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think. I think most people saying these are sitting. They are on the sneaker app on a Litty Lit meter. I'm gonna fix my hair. On a Litty Lit meter. I will give these a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Not too bad. So 4.5 out of 5. You guys let me know. It was a no-look pass. You're going to hopefully wait for them to go on sale. Also, leave a comment suggestion below. Will you be going after the cap and gown 13? So let me know. Like I said, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, friend. Once we hit that 2K, we're going to do that giveaway, because you know how we do. But get that notification bell ready, because I am subject to always do any pop-up giveaway. You feel me? Emoneyshoes, and you know how we do, and I'm out.